Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to KMZee Academy. Today we will learn how to place an image in perspective using Smart Object and Warp. So let's begin by taking an image of your choice. I have chosen this image with a banner flag on the wall of a building. We will create a mockup where you can place an image on the flag and change the image as many times as you want with just one step. Now make a rectangle and make sure to make it a smart object. Right click on the rectangle layer and select smart object. Double click on the smart object layer to enter the smart object window and place the image that you want to add on the banner and press Ctrl S to save. Select the smart object and press Ctrl T to enter transform mode. Now right click on the object and select distort. Place the corner points according to the flag. Now adjust the opacity so that you are able to see the folds on the flag. To replicate the folds of the flag on your image, right click the object in the transform mode and select warp. We can increase or decrease the number of grids or add lines wherever you want according to the folds. Let's increase the grid to 4x4. Here you can move and rotate each point of the grid to replicate the fold. After it's done, increase the opacity to 100% again. Now double click on the design layer to open the smart object window. Turn off or delete the black rectangle layer. Press Ctrl S to save this change and return to the main tab. You can see the logo is perfectly placed on the flag. You can change the image in the Smart Object window with any image you like and replace the logo with any image of your choice. Let's try this cool t-shirt. By the way, if you want to buy this t-shirt and explore other unique merch, visit us at kmzee.in and have a look for yourself. Link in the description. You can also change the blending mode to multiply because it's a light colored image. Reduce the opacity just a little for better results. The choice of blending modes depend on how light or dark the background color is, but that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.